We're going to do a weekend vlog. Is it worth it? I don't know. Hey dear Delilah, it is me. Hi guys, it's Friday and we're going to do a weekend vlog. We're going to go to the supermarket to like a little wincy grocery shopping. And I wanted to catch this place in Morant Bay, but I'm not sure. So that's like probably a tomorrow thing when I go on the road because I feel like I'm going to go to Kingston, but we're not sure. We're not sure. But we know for certain we're going to the supermarket today. We are in the supermarket. I just want like a few things, not a lot of things, because I know exactly what I want. And this is not the place we go over budget because we share a supermarket. Hi Chad, we're getting food at KFC. Say hi to my YouTube vlog. Say hi to my YouTube vlog, Terry. He's uncivilized. She's Tiara.
Hello.
Yeah. We're getting KFC. I just want a famous bowl. Oh no, bye.
We don't know
Yeah, police.
I'm not talking to you, no.
You never be specific, so you talk to everybody.
Two big deal, a bowl, 8 piece wings, a regular fries, and a chicken box, correct? 5985.
Cause secrets, both gotta keep it. Hi guys, so we're on a school cover. Guys, someone who I'm going on with, they're a part of our planning association for a pageant, and the pageant is tomorrow. So they're still doing like local rough works. So we're here, and yeah. Tomorrow I'll probably see it. I'm not sure if I'll vlog it because they're kids. So it's kind of I don't know. But we'll see. We'll see if our content. Well, I don't want to be like, oh, content because they're kids. Hi chat, so I'm finally reached home. Like it is now 9 o'clock in the night. 9 o'clock in the night. I'm tired. So this is the end of today. Tomorrow is going to be something different, something new, something hectic. I can't tell everyone know it's gonna be hectic. But for now we'll be catching up because I'm tired bad. Today is Saturday, it's a new day. Our agenda for today is to shut up. Our agenda for today is to have some clothes that I had, go on the road, attend a pageant. I just kind of got up. I'm fresh, the sleep fresh, my fresh, everything fresh, breath fresh, face fresh, everything fresh. I've started the whole washing part of this already, so but no, there's a washing machine. I went to do my hygiene stuff and get ready to go on the road. There's this cheat code that I realize in life. It's even though short I go on the road, don't wait until like the time comes, you start for being and everything. Get up and do it snap. So like when the time comes, you just go. Isn't it? It is so much better that way. You know, for a content creator, I can't keep on losing my tripods because there's this one tripod that I had. I no longer have it, and it is pissing me off because I thought it was here. It's not here. I'm just coming from Albion. It's not in Albion either. So I was like, where is the tripod? And like, you know, my age man say, you know, probably I just that one case scenario. When I say I can't that one case scenario because she can't be that dumb. But she can actually be that dumb. So I don't know what my tripod is. And I really don't want to buy any more tripods. But I just might. Two actually. I need a small tripod and then I need like a medium sized tripod. You know what money I could spend? Not mine. Not mine. I'm going to beg my way out of that shit because I'm not buying too much tripod. Actually, I have TikTok. Well, I have an account that give me access to TikTok shop. Is it worth it? Today is the last day for my Amazon Prime. We're gonna try. Give me a minute. My work was up on Amazon. Well, I have a free meal. Oh shit, man, I can't sleep. Give me a minute. So the subscription is actually cancelled. It will be cancelled today. Thank God. How did I pay for it? Me? Baby. No, I don't. Do you guys like this vlog so far? I don't know. I love it actually. I'm trying to like take my vlogging more of an authentic way and not a very generic aesthetic way. Even though at the end of the day, aesthetic wins. I'm gonna go put them in the machine. I'm so stupid. Ugh. I'm not stupid. You're not stupid, Patrice. You're just a little off. Hi, chat. So we're going to. So much is happening and so much is not happening. But right now, we're gonna like pack a bag, go look for the road. I'm kind of like a part of the assistant team. So I need my laptop, I need my tablet, I need everything. Okay, then press share. Download the first one as a PDF. JPEG. No, come on, change the PNG to JPEG. And then you're going to have pages now, pages 1 to 3. I download the first one first. Do the same someone download page 2 now. I'll go get myself a bad. I wish to not be disturbed. Hi guys, so we're on the school compound. We're kind of like setting up and doing live preparation. Oh. We're not telling them I don't believe in like blow up goods. And the good thing about it bursting, when I'm about to come home, I feel like the slipper slowly come off of my foot. I'm gonna look at all everything I buy. I didn't buy much thing. I just buy a cotton ball, lashes, and I also bought this. Someone got this particular store in Morant Bay. I'm gonna say Sheen percent for $2 grand. $2 grand. The event starts at 5. It is 4:59.
Exactly, like, no.
Just bypass the program.
We're on a road late to the event. We're kind of late. Wait. What are you about to reach?
Morant Bay Primary School pageant 2026 officially open. Sit back, relax, and share your favorite contestant.
Madam Principal, esteemed judges, specially invited guests. I am a dream to inspire others and I am a power to make a difference. Thank you. And I do it 1,000 times again. folks. Anyways, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, me nervous?
I want winsy now. Right now. These are Morant Bay Primary empowered children who are empowering the world. Ladies and gentlemen, you have never seen it anywhere else. The second runner-up for the females is none other than number 7. Miss Morant Bay Primary 2026 is none other than contestant number 6.
Hi guys, it is 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm just fresh on my yard. I'm tired. I'm gonna make a bowl of oats and eat, and then go to my bed.
Tell a story that way you get the last score. I'm telling you, that's shame in my game. So, shame that you ask me, can make views.
So, we done the event and food done by the time I realized the food the day. So we come home everywhere locked. Mind you, 1 o'clock now. And the person who will carry it home, they are a very advantaged individual. So I say, what more have to do? The main ingredient is not at the house. I asked 2 persons to ask, nobody asked. Then finally got tired of me and 1 person asked and I say, oh, simple as that. And I got my last call. So yes, that is how I get my stuff. I'm gonna beg it. Good morning, USA. Today's Sunday, Saturday. I came in so late last night and there's such a big mess. So today we'll clean the mess.
The bag of fish say it is 100% natural and it has mixed fiber and vitamin C. Well, it has fiber and vitamin C. Social media reaching the obsession is telling people to eat fiber. I don't have a fiber intake. I can't move on.
Been wasting time. I stayed up all night, drinking my weight in pints. I think I might go insane, like I need a shrink. I think I'm gonna clean today.
Hi, Jed. A little update. We're working on time crunch. I mean by that, it is now 10:12 and we're going somewhere at 12. We're going to go to the beach or the river. We're not sure wherever the wind takes us. So that's that. We'll have more fun stuff in the vlog. Say yay! I'm losing my shit. Cause who's going to edit it? Ooh, who's going to edit it? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to transport the footage that I have. The 90+70 at a 160 video. Ain't no other than that getting on past 30 minutes. Other than that, get nothing past 30 minutes. I'm going to cut until I can't cut anymore. Anyways, I'm going to transfer the 160 videos to my tablet. Does it have space? I don't know. Because like last week, the video that you guys are seeing today, this Sunday, I had struggles uploading it. Well, it was exported, but then when I tried to play it, that's the video format is supported, and then I see the big dirty storage sign come up. I'm say, what? And then I'm like, delete it, export it, delete. I need to fix the memory card in there though, because there's a memory card in there and I don't know why my tablet not read it. I need to read it today. I'm gonna just do our iPad apps.
I've got so much stuff.
Hi Chad. So many days later, I done bathe, I done clean and everything. I'm a phone around with the storage. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just here waiting because we're going to go to the road. It's not 12:30 actually. Because I have to all Sunday research it and just stop it because I couldn't bother. And I didn't want to charge my phone when I go on the road. Come and I want it dead. Also, when I go on the road, now coming out of the vlog. Well, then I see it now on YouTube vlog as a matter of fact. Said all of that to say this is where this video ends. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, as much as I did, because I did enjoy recording, and I know for a fact I'm going to enjoy the editing. Again, I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Yeah, see you guys probably next week. I don't know. I really don't know. So see you guys in another vlog. See you guys in another vlog.